Welcome or welcome back to the channel. To my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Well, as you see from the title, today we're preparing an steamed fish oven style. Just keep on watching, guys.